Hey, what's going on, guys? Pete with Auto Repair Tips. So while my arm is down, I got one of my best guys working with me in my mechanic department. Check him out. You are my best guy.
You got my three.
So Bobby's normally my body man. I got him over here doing some mechanic work. He loves it. It's a change of pace for him. Working on an 01 Buick LeSabre. Check out this belt tensioner. It has water jackets going through it. What a stupid ass design. We had one of the plastic fittings break, so he's replacing it with new, and you got to buy the whole tensioner assembly. You can't tell me there couldn't be a better design for this. What do you think, Bob? Come on, smile. You love this shit. Not long now. We'll put this on one of our stupid designs list. So what's the hardest part of doing this job if you had to give somebody a tip? Seriously.
I don't know. Just
Patience?
yeah.
Just seeing where all the shit goes?
Yeah.
How many bolts roughly held that tensioner on?
Hold on, the whole thing. 1, 2, 3.
Were they all the same size?
Yeah.
So how many you said it was? 3? And the other ones went to the alternator?
Yeah. Alternator and the goes in there.
One thing when we're doing a job like this, the tips we can tell you is, you see those right there where he's got his thumb at, the thing, the spout he's touching right there? Whenever you go back, make sure you go back with some wheel bearing grease or some kind of grease before you put that hose on. It'll help it slide on better. And when you're putting that tensioner on, you're going to have to wiggle it back and forth to get it to go in. And just like that. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Catch you later.